Can't get out for a walk or run? Don't worry, I've got you covered with this 15-minute at-home cardio workout that'll have you burning calories all day long. Now, before we get started, be sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get more at-home workouts just like this one. Now, the first movement we're going to do is a skier. So we're going to plant our feet about hip width apart. Hands come out to the side, long arms, and we're just swooshing down that mountain. Nice. You want those toes pointed forward, hips coming down in a little squat. So I've got 10 movements for you in this workout, and we're going to ladder throw them. So we're going to hit them one direction and then hit them in the other. So we'll actually be finishing up with these skiers in just about 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 seconds here. Breathing it out. Nice. And then we're going to get ready to go into our second movement. So 45 seconds on each one. And in 3, 2, 1, we're going into tin soldiers. Straight arm over to a straight leg. Nice. So kind of a slower movement on this one. We'll kind of go from slow to fast to stable movements here to get that heart rate up and going. Now you can opt for a bent elbow to a bent knee on this one, if you like, or keep that straight arm, straight leg. About 10 seconds. Breathe it out. Nice. Keep it going, keep it going. Nice and tall through the spine. Engaging that core. Beautiful. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, stepping forward here. We're going to step side to side and take those arms out. So some step jacks here. Keeping it low impact. All these movements we want to keep low impact, but be able to get that heart rate up. Build that endurance. Beautiful. Increase that blood flow through the body. Keep it going. Looking good. We got about 15 seconds till we hit our next movement. Already 3 in. Good job. And we got 3, 2, and 1. We're going high knees. So you can bring those hands out right to about that waistline and try to get those knees up there. Now, if you're not feeling that, that's fine. Just a little march is cool. But if you can get those knees up there, let's go. Beautiful. Keep the breathing going. Nice. 15 seconds. Nice, core tight. Expanding that spine. And in 3, 2, 1, we're going to windmills. So arms out to the side. We're going to push those hips back. Nice. And bring our arms down toward the opposite. Ankle, calf, knee, however far you can get down there. Beautiful. Folding forward, pushing the hips back. So I want to, instead of reaching out, I want you to really push those hips back like you're doing a good morning. Nice. A few more seconds here, 10 seconds. Nice. Get ready to go into our 5th move in 3, 2, 1. Some skaters. So little crossing tap back here. With your arms, you can kind of go side to side or cross and come out. Whatever works for you. I want you to take these movements and listen to your body. See what it needs today. Maybe it needs to get a little busier and you want to go a little faster. Or maybe you just want to take it a little easier. Moving the body, gets that heart pumping, gets the blood flowing. And then when it's time to recover, you build more blood vessels so that you can even pump more blood, become more efficient. All right, getting ready for a sumo squat in 3, 2, 1. Toes pointed out. Let the knees come out. And then let's just go ahead and take those arms up and down. Up and down. Nice. Different things that you can do to get that heart rate up. Level changes, using both the upper body and lower body at the same time. So it's not so much always about just going super fast all the time, running or biking or rowing, whatever you're doing. Some nice body weight movements, even slower ones, to get that heart pumping. Okay, we got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Butt kicks is next. So just taking that heel up towards the booty. Nice. Over a third of the way done. So we're just cruising in here. Hopefully breaking a little sweat. I got it going on already. It's kind of when everything starts feeling good, right? Just getting started, making it this far, you've already won. You know how hard it is. I know how hard it is to get that workout started. But once you're in it and cruising, feeling great. We're almost done here, 10 seconds. And then we're gonna be hitting some lateral lunges. 3, 2, and 1. So those feet, again, out to the side. I want you to think, coming out, even, chest to that knee, as you bend down, side to side. Now this can just be also a side to side lunge. Smaller if you want, but if you want to come all the way down, that's a challenge that I will invite you to. Nice. Side to side, chest up. Avoid coming way down like this. We want to really push those hips back. A few more seconds here. We got 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Wood chops are coming up here. So we're gonna go up with our hands as if we had an axe in our hand, and we're gonna push it down here. Whack it down the diagonal. Let those knees move with you. Keep that core tight. We're going one direction here. I'm going from my left side down to my right side. Now, we're gonna do this for 45 seconds, which we only have about 15 seconds left. Now I want you to follow your hands. I'm looking at the camera. And then we're gonna switch. And that begins our ladder back down. All right, so in 3, 2, 1, we're gonna take that arm up to the other side, and we're gonna chop this direction. Let those knees move with you. Nice. Follow with your eyes. Beautiful. So we've reached the middle of our workout. In about 20 more seconds on this one. And then we're gonna continue through, starting back with those lateral lunges we were just doing. One of those butt kicks and back down, all the way to our skiers. 10 seconds. Nice. Almost done. 3, 2, and 1. Lateral lunges coming back. So we're going side to side. I want to feel it all through that thigh and glute. Nice. I always like to hear what your favorite exercise was from the workout, so let me know. And then also what other workout you might be pairing up with this one, if that's your jam. Nice. 10 seconds here. Down. Lateral lunges finished up in 3, 2, and 1. It's butt kick time again. Nice. So these are kind of like a leg curl or a butt kick. If you were in the gym with weights, you might be on a machine doing some leg curls like this, but hey, our legs have weight right in them, so just curling it on its own definitely gets those muscles moving. And then that body weight can help increase that cardio because we can go a little faster. We don't want to go fast with weights. Nice. Beautiful. Almost there, and then completed with this one. In 3, 2, and 1. Sumo squats, arm raises again. Sumo squat, raising those arms up and down, however feels good for you. Nice. Getting that level change. Again, as low down as you can go. We're keeping it up high. All right, we just got 5 minutes left, y'all. You're doing great. I'll take this second to just thank you so much for clicking on this workout. One of my favorite things to do is help people add movement into their day, so I'm glad I could help you. And 3, 2, 1, we're going to skaters. So remember, we're back, crossing back with that leg. And then arms, I just want you to let them flow. Some people like to do a side to side, like you're out on that speed skate course. Maybe just out and back, whatever's feeling good for you. Crossing out. 20 seconds here. And then we just have 5 more movements. Beautiful. And in 3, 2, and 1, we're going to windmills again. Arms out, pushing those hips back, and coming up. Nice. Keep breathing it out. Out through the mouth, in through the nose. Nice job. Love these windmill stretches. Nice. They always remind me a little bit of middle school, along with those hamstring stretches. I think we used to do these a lot. All right, gonna change it up here in 3, 2, 1. Bring it up for high knees again. Last few movements. Looking good, we're almost there. I know your body's gonna thank you for this one. Now, when we finish up here, you wanna be sure and get something good to eat in. Nice hearty snack, some protein, complex carbs. Keep that water always nearby. Take a drink whenever you need. 15 seconds. Nice. And in 3, 2, and 1, it's step jacks to the sides. Nice. Taking those arms up again. Step side to side. These can be a half jack, half step jack if you want, or nice full arms. Any restrictions, you never want to move through any kind of pain or restriction in your movement. Beautiful. Looking good, y'all. 15 seconds here, and then just 2 last moves. Alrighty. We got 3, 2, and 1. Coming up and over with that tin soldier. Straight arm to straight leg, or bent knee to bent arm, or bent arm to straight leg, or straight leg to bent knee. Whatever works for you. Looking good, y'all. We're almost there, almost finished. One last movement for you. Going all the way back to those skiers. Got about 15 seconds here. You can kind of start using this as a little bit of a cool down if you're not going to cool down. Slowing your movement up a little bit over this last minute. And in 3, 2, and 1, going all the way back to those skiers. Arms out. Arms out. Beautiful. Just breathing it out. As we're cooling it down here, slowing it up. Nice, we just got about 25 seconds left here. Gorgeous, taking those arms as high as you can. Stretching down as low as you can. Maybe taking a few nice low stretches into that squat. Last few seconds, team. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Awesome work. Fist bump to you, high fives. If you do need to get some stretches in, I got a stretch workout right here for you. I'll attach on here, so you can go ahead and grab that. Just 10 minutes. Go ahead and cool it down, stretch out those muscles. See you there, or see you later. Peace.